Historically, oysters were overfished, they were overharvested. 2 diseases came in and it was kind of the perfect storm. And oyster populations are now less than 1% in Chesapeake Bay. With this building, we have the technology and the science to really expand and produce huge oyster populations. To make a baby oyster, we need adult oysters. We spawn them, we raise their offspring.
It's roughly 2.5 million just in this cone.
Once the larvae are mature, we set them on shell in setting tanks. Then we can move them around for our restoration activities. With restoration, we're able to put back healthy oyster populations. We're going to help jumpstart Mother Nature. Anytime you go to a restaurant, ask them if they recycle their oyster shells and participate in our Shell Recycling Alliance, because any shell is a good shell. We would love to have it back.